Welcome to 2 Minute Science Lesson with Mr. Larson. Today we're going to talk about continental drift theory. Continental drift was discovered by a German climatologist named Alfred Wegener. Alfred Wegener discovered that there was the continents specifically of South America, which kind of looks something like this, and Africa, which kind of looks something like this. And he thought that they looked like they kind of fit together. He looked at, they actually discovered that there were fossils that were located on both continents. The same animal, and they were freshwater. They couldn't have swam across the ocean, so how could they have been in both places? But when you end up fitting these two pieces together, well, now they would have actually lined up to the same area. So he thought he was onto something here. He also looked at climate data and found out places where glaciers were, and once they all go together, it's all in the same region. And he called this continent Pangea. And Pangea would have been a supercontinent. It was all the continents in the world were all combined. Now, when Alfred Wegener proposed this, other scientists laughed at him. They thought he was an idiot, he didn't know what he was talking about. The big reason why is that he couldn't explain what kind of process would have caused the continents to drift apart. He just said they drifted, they just moved. And that's not good in science. You have to have a reason if you're going to have a theory. It's got to be able to explain how it's happening, not just this observation. Because really that's what Alfred Wegener discovered. He made an observation, he found evidence to kind of support that observation, but it really didn't explain that process of like what would have been causing that. It wasn't until after World War II, a man named Harry Hess was in charge of mapping the ocean floor because of the German U-boats, that he would have discovered something that would have supported Alfred Wegener's theory. So make sure that you check my seafloor spreading video for more on that.